Some people think applying the interest method will be a monumental task. Others worry that determining the effective interest rate on a financial instrument will require a trek through the accounting literature. The interest method is applicable to any entities applying U.S. GAAP. The interest method is used throughout an entity's financial statements and is a key concept for understanding how to account for core transactions. Today, we'll cover what the interest method is, where it's used, and how to calculate the effective interest rate. We'll work through applying these concepts to a mortgage loan receivable and a debt security investment so you can clearly see how the interest method works in practice. We'll then end our tour with downloadable resources for you to use as future reference material. Pack your bags and join me on a quick trip as we explore the interest method and effective interest rates.